Welcome back, guys, to English Native. We're glad to have you. Yes, we have been away, but now we are back with new and exciting content to share with you. So follow along as we delve into the world of vocabulary. Thanks again, guys, for joining us on English Native, where the vocabulary journey continues. Our English content will help you to improve drastically in your studies. This, of course, is a free channel, but if you'd like to contribute to our work, please use the link in the description below. But we'd definitely like you to subscribe to our channel and spread the word that English Native has the best English content, and also so you can keep up to date with all our newest videos. Argument. Noun. A conversation that is heated and done when angry. Example. I had a huge argument with my wife. Blog. Verb. Add in new material or information regularly to a blog. Example. I blogged about my new shoes on Monday. Comment. Verb. Expressing an opinion or reaction to speech or writing. Example. I'm going to comment on her dress. Noun. A verbal or written expression of an opinion. Example. The comment about her dress was very impolite. Debate. Noun. A regulated discussion or contention by words or arguments. Example. We won the debate about climate change. Endangered. Adjective. Something seriously at risk of extinction. Example. Giant panda bears were endangered. Fragile. Adjective. Easily broken or damaged. Not strong, delicate. Example. The ecosystem is fragile. Gadget. Noun. A small mechanical or electronic device or tool, especially an ingenious or novel one. Example. I bought some new gadgets including a new digital watch. Habitat. Noun. The natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or other organisms. Example. The habitat of a bird is its nest. Impossible. Adjective. Not able to be done, cannot be done. Example. It is impossible for humans to fly. Joyful. Adjective. Feeling of great pleasure and happiness. Example. When my children were born, I was extremely joyful. King. Noun. The male ruler of a country, especially one who inherits the position by right of birth. Example. The Scorpion King was a really good movie. Logic. Noun. Clear reasoning based on understanding and assessment. Example. There was no logic to his story. Monument. Noun. A statue, building, or other structure erected to remember a notable person or event. Example. A monument was erected for the brave firefighters. Negotiate. Verb. Obtain or receive by way of discussion. Example. I negotiated with the store clerk for a better price. Organize. Verb. Arrange in a specific order systematically. Example. I organize my desk at work at the end of the day. Paint. Noun. A colored liquid which is spread over a wall and dries to leave a thin decorative or protective coating. Example, I am going to purchase some blue paint for my office. Quiet, adjective, free from noise or uproar, marked by little or no motion or activity. Example, the teacher asked the class to be quiet. Robot, noun, a machine that resembles a living creature and is capable of moving independently as by walking or rolling on wheels and performing complex actions. Example, movies about robots are always exciting. Suit, noun, a collection of two or more usually matching outer garments, such as a jacket, vest, and trousers. Example, I wore a black suit to my friend's wedding. Team, noun, a group of persons working together to achieve one goal. Example, the Spanish football team is amazing. Uniform, noun, dress of a distinctive design or fashion worn by members of a particular group and serving as a means of identification. Example, the soldier is always wearing his uniform. Validate, verb, to make legal, to confirm the truth. Example, my bus ticket was validated by the conductor. Write, verb, to form words by drawing characters or symbols on a surface. Example, I learned to write my name at age 5. Xerox, verb, to make a copy on a xerographic copier. Example, can you make a Xerox of my passport? Yearn, verb, to long persistently, to always want something. Example, the man's wife yearned for a hug. Zip, verb, to close or open with or as if with a zipper. Example, my mom zipped my school bag after placing my lunch inside. We're at the end of our video for today, guys, but it was awesome having you going through our vocabulary list. Remember now that practice makes perfect, so you have to practice your vocabulary words. Also, remember that our work is free, but if you'd like to support our work, please contribute using the link in the description below. Again, guys, thank you so much and continue to make learning fun. Remember also to subscribe to our channel, to share our videos, and to give us a like if you enjoyed our video.